students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let us start our today's session. In today's session, we are going to solve some of the examples of cube and cubes. In our previous session, we have learned about cube. How to find cube. Cube means what? When we multiply a number thrice, we get a cube of that number. For example, cube of 2 is 8. When we multiply 2 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2, we get a cube of 2. Okay, we have solved some of the examples like how to find perfect cube or the given number is perfect cube or not. Okay, so in today's session, we are going to solve some example of perfect cube. Our first example is third 392, that is 392 a perfect cube. Is 392 a perfect cube? If not, what we have to do? Find the smallest natural number by which 392 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. That means if 392 is not a perfect cube, then what we have to do? We have to find a smallest number so that when we multiply that number with 392, we get a perfect cube. Okay, we have solved such a type of examples in the chapter number 6, square and square root. Understood? Okay, so my dear students, let us try to find out prime factors of 392. All of you know that how to find prime factors of given number. Now the number 392, this number is divisible by 2, right? 2 ones are 2, after that 2 nines are 18 and 2 sixes are 12, 196. This 196 is also divisible by 2, that is 2 nines are 18 and 2 eights are 60. 98 is also divisible by 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 nines are 18. After that 7 sevens are 49 and 7 sevens are 1. That means prime factors of 392 are, we can write this as 392 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. So look at here, prime factors of 392 are 2 into 2 into 2, 7 into 7. So find out triplet. Here we get one triplet of 2, but 7, 7. Okay, here there is no triplet. That means a prime factor of, that is a prime factor 7 does not appear in group of 3, right? A prime factor 7 does not appear in a group of 3. So what we can say? Yes, from this we can say that 392 is not a perfect square, sorry, perfect cube. So we can write here a prime factor 7 does not appear in group of 3. Therefore we can say that the number 392 is not a perfect cube. That number is not a perfect cube. So after this we have find question, answer of first question. What is the second question? If not, yes, it is not. Find the smallest natural number by which 392 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. That means we have to find the smallest natural number that we multiply with 392, we get a perfect square, perfect cube. So look at here, 392, prime factorization of 392. Here we get one triplet of 2. But for completion of triplet of 7, we need one more 7. Yes, for completion of this triplet, we need one more 7. So whenever we multiply the number 392 by 7, we get that number is a perfect cube, right? That means 7 is the smallest natural number that multiplied with 392, we get a perfect cube, right? So we multiply this number 392 by 7. So here we get 2 into 2 into 2, also triplet of 7. 7 into 7 into 7. So that number is 7 2s are 14, 9 2s are 7 2s are 14, 1 is carry, 9 7s are 63 plus 1 that is 64, carry 6, 7 3s are 21 plus 6 that is 27. So that is 2 7, therefore 2744 is a perfect cube. How we will get this cube? By multiply the number 392 by 7. So 7 is the smallest natural number that multiplied with 392 to get a perfect cube. Okay everyone? Understood? We have solved such type of examples in chapter number 6, square and square. Remember? Yes. Now look at the second example. Is 53,240, this number, is a perfect cube? Yes, that means same. We have to find out first prime factors of this number. If all prime factors are appears in form of triplet, then this number is perfect cube. Otherwise, it is not. Right? If this number is not a perfect cube, then what is the second question? If not, then which smallest natural number should be divided so that quotient is a perfect cube? That means we have to find a smallest natural number that divide this number 53240 to get a quotient which is a perfect cube. Okay, so just first find out here prime factors of the given number 53,240. Okay, so now first we have the unit place contains 0, that means this number is divisible by 2. That is 2 1s are 2. Here, 2 2s are 4. 1 is remainder. That is 2 6s are 12. 1 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4. 0s are 0. Again, this number is divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 3. 2 3s are 3. 1 0. Again, it is divisible by 2. That means 2 6s are 12. 2 6s are 12. After that 2 5s are 10 and 2 5s are 10. 6 6 5 5. Now this number is divisible by, yes, 11. This number is divisible by 11. Since 11 6 are 66. After that 0, 11 5s are 5. Again this number is divisible by 11. 11 5s are 55. 5 is remaining, right? 11 5s are 55. Again 55 is divisible by 11. 11 5s are 55. Now this 5 is divisible by 5. 5 5s are 1. Sorry, 5 1s are 5. That means here we get prime factors of 53,240 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 11 into 5. So look at the prime factors. Try to find out triplet. Here we get triplet of 2, triplet of 11, but there is no triplet for 5. So is the number 53,240, this number is a perfect cube? No. Why? Since prime factors 2 and 11 appears in group of 3, but the prime factor 5 does not appear in a group of 5. That means what? The given number is not a prime factor. So what do we have to write? We have to write here a prime factor. A prime factor 5 does not appear in group of 3. Therefore, the given number is not a perfect cube. Right? So we find out this number is not a perfect cube. Now what is our second question? We have to find the smallest natural number. 53,240 should we get a perfect cube number, right? Since there is no triplet for 5, only once 5 is in the prime factorization of this number. So when we divide this number by 5, then 5 will be cancelled from this and we get a number which is a perfect cube, right? So we divide, therefore we divide 53,240 by 5, then we get a perfect cube number. We get a perfect cube number. So let us divide this number. 53240 divided by 5. Here also prime factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 11 into 5. Divide this number with 5. So this 5 and 5 will cancel. So what is the answer here? 5 ones are 5. After that 0. After that 5 6 are 30. 2 is remaining. 5 4s are 20. 4 is remaining. 5 8s are 40. So that number is 10,648. Okay. That means our resulting number is perfect cube. Resulting perfect cube is which number? 10,648. Right? Understood? Why we divide this number by 5? Since 5, the number 5 or the prime factor 5 does not appear in triplet. Okay, so we divide this number with 5, we get this one is quotient. Right? So we get the quotient which is a perfect cube. Okay? Understood? Yes. Now third question. It is same as first. Is 1188 a perfect cube? Okay. So first we will find out if this number is perfect cube or not. Just try to find out prime factors. Everyone, open your notebook, write this example and try to find out the prime factors of this number 1188. Okay. What are the prime factors? First we divide this number by 2. That is 2 5s are 10. 1 is remaining. 2 9s are 18 and 2 4s are 8. After that, again this number is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 9s are 18. 1 is remaining. 2 7s are 14. 297. Now this number is divisible by which number? 9 7 10. That is 16. 17 18. That is this number is divisible by 3. That is 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. 2 is remaining. 3 9s are 27. Again this number is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Again this number is divisible by 3. That means 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. Now this number 11. The number 11 is divisible by 11. 11 1s are 11. So here we get prime factors of 1188 is what? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 11. Now observe these prime factors and tell me, is the number 1188 is a perfect cube? Yes, correct. This number is not a perfect cube. Why it is not perfect cube? Yes, since the prime factors 2 and 11 do not appear in group of 3. Only we get here triplet of 3, right? Only we get here triplet of 3. Number 2, prime factor 2 and 11 do not appear in triplet, right? So therefore, the number 1188 is not a perfect cube. So first we write prime factors 2 and 11 do not appear cube. Right? We find out here first question. The number 1188 is not a perfect cube. What is our second question? If not, by which smallest natural number should be 1188 be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube? That means this example is same as the second example. So what do we have to do? We have to divide that number 1188 by which number? Yes, this number 2 into 2 and 11. If we divide this number 1188 by 2 into 2 into 11, then we get the given number is a perfect cube. Since for 2 and 11 there is not triplet, right? So therefore we divide 1188 by 2 into 2 into 11, that is 44, to get a perfect cube. So divide the number 1188 by 44. So 1188 divided by 44. 1188 divided by 44. Now this answer is 27. You check. You solve this example and check the answer. The division is 27. That means quotient is 27. And as you know that 27 is a cube of 3. Right? That means whenever we divide the number 1188 by the number 44, we get a perfect cube. Right? That means resultant cube is equal to 27. Right? How? Why it is the smallest number? Since prime factors of 1188 are this 2 into 2, triplet of 3 into 11. But there is no triplet for 2 and 11. So therefore, whenever we divide this number 1188 by 2 into 2 into 11, we get a quotient which is a perfect cube. Therefore, this 44 is the smallest number. By that number we divided to 1188, we get a perfect cube. So my dear student, I hope you all understood all these examples. So now our lowest duty, watch this video carefully.